Namaste. Coming in to you live with the next yoga quick tip. It is Sunday, May 14th. It is Mother's Day. Happy day to all people, particularly the women, female identifying today, who are being honored, recognized for the constant work that we do. Check out my Dharma talk from last week to learn more about my feelings about this day and the commercialization of this day. I'm Dawn. I do yoga and I empower professional business women over 40 who are feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, and frazzled to incorporate yoga tools such as the ones I'm doing live this month into their daily life and to help them move towards center and calm. Hi Cheryl, happy Mother's Day to you. Welcome aboard. If you are watching this live, I'd love for you to drop a hashtag live into the comments. I don't know how many comments I'll see while I'm on the live. If I don't get to your comments on this live video, I will circle back and get back to you. If you're watching on replay, please drop hashtag replay and ask any questions and whatnot. So this tip today is short and sweet. Stop scrolling and be present. And your invitation to be present can be, I'm going to suggest two things. One is to stop, be present, and do something you love. And when you're doing that thing, be all immersed, whether it be reading a book, whether it be taking a walk, be fully present. And the same is for suggestion and invitation two, which is to be present with the environment that you're in. Be present for the people around you, if you are with other people or not. You could be present with your animals or in the situation. I'm present right now with my wind chimes and the beautiful breeze. So today's tip, stop the scroll and be present. I will see you all next time. And if you are interested in more quick tips, I will drop the link to my free guide with 5 1-minute yoga practices for stress. And if you're interested in learning more about how you can work with me one-on-one, please drop an I'm interested and I will be in touch. Be well, everyone. Have a great day.